babes, welcome back. Get ready with me while I do this ombre cut crease on hooded eyes. Let's go. What's up, babes? Let's get started. First, I'm going to start off with this yellow shade all over my lid, and this shade here is from Kiss New York Professional, and the name is called Chaos. This yellow shade is so pretty, but what I didn't realize is that it's not a matte shade. It has a shimmer to it. And while playing with it, I realized I could probably use this as a highlighter as well, but I'm not for the moment, just as an eyeshadow. So next you want to apply an orange shade, and this is going to go right underneath that yellow shade, and you want to blend it out. And I'm going to keep going in until I get the desired color that I'm looking for. And what you always want to do is just blend it out. Take your time. And here you can see I've gotten to the consistency and color that I would like it to be. So just going to go ahead and continue to blend it out because we don't want those harsh lines. Next I'm going to go in with a dark brown shade, and this is going to go in my crease. And I'm going to keep applying that dark brown shade until I get the color that I'm looking for. And what this does is define the eyes a little more. And let's blend that out. And if you feel you're losing color, just go back in and add more color to where you have blended out it. Now this is where it gets tricky on the hooded eyes. You see that crease right there? And this is why I went above my natural crease. This is so you will be able to see my eyeshadow colors that I will be applying next. It's so hard applying makeup to hooded eyes. We have to go the extra miles to make our eyeshadows be visible. And I'm just going to go ahead and pack that in, and I'm using Absolute New York Radiant Concealer. And I got this from my local beauty supply store. Now here I'm going in with VH Cosmetics, and this is their highlighter shade that's at the bottom of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm just going to use that in the inner corners of that. And let's go in with that same palette, and we're going to use an orange shade. And this is one of their brighter oranges inside of that Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And here I'm going to go in with this shade, which is like a red-orange shade. And this is going to help me out with my ombre cut crease. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend those harsh lines because they don't really go on there. You can leave it like that if you want to, but I prefer it to be blended. And I'm going to go back in and add some more color, just to make it pop some more. And here I am. You see I'm blending out those lines a little bit. I'm going to go back in with that highlighter shade because I've blended it off. So I got to put it back. Looking good, looking good. And here I'm going to apply NYX Matte Eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner, and then I don't like this eyeliner. The brush is a little tricky to me. I feel like I have to drag it, just to get the sharp ends. If not, my end is going to be very blocky, you can say. And then I have to go back in and go back in. So I just take my time with this eyeliner. I love how matte it is though. And we're almost done. Just filling it in. I like the way it's looking so far, but I'm gonna drag it out just a little more, just a little bit. And there you have it. You see that take me back to Brazil highlighter shade that I put in it. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it, which is why I chose to put it in the inner corners of my eyes. But this is what it's looking like so far. I think I did a great job. What you guys think? Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? I guess he's living his best life. I didn't even know he was behind me. And he's still there. Let's get into this Unique Cosmetics Suede Velour Lips lipstick. And this is in the shade Voodoo Doll. It's a deeper red color shade that I really, really love. And it's perfect for fall. Okay, dude. Bye. Time for you to leave now. Okay, you're still there. Let's apply this lipstick. Wait, you're still there. Like, bye. Leave already. Oh, egg bag. Living his best life. So I'm just gonna go ahead on and continue getting back into this get ready with me video, because I am about to go somewhere. And this shade is everything right now. And I just love Unique Cosmetics lipsticks, you guys. They last all day long. Smudge proof, smear proof. And this is the final look. Yeah, I threw on my hair, so what? Y'all can watch this hair tutorial in a previous video that I did. Is it real or is it synthetic? Go check it out. But yes, get into this cut crease, ombre, red lip, curly hair, diva. And this is what it's looking like. I know you like it. Yeah, you do. I just want to thank you guys again for tuning into my channel with your girl. I'm gonna keep bringing these videos to you guys every week as promised. Not sure what I'm going to do next, so leave me a comment down below. Give your girl some suggestions. And I'll be sure to get these videos out to you guys as quickly as possible. Bye, babes.